Now what? VDM, very dark man, he don't collect another lawsuit. Another person don't give a lawsuit. This time around, now the daughter of ABC Transport, her name is Ms Ihuoma Nneji. Some days ago, in the talk, say the lady want to blackmail one guy who won't marry the girl. They claim say the guy in Nigeria, they send in friends to post derogatory statement about the guy. The daughter of ABC Transport, she stays abroad while the guy stays in Nigeria. A lot of issues. And after speaking, the guy can't slam him now. See the letter for front here. The thing came across the thing entered my hand from somewhere. I can't say this VDM time don't reach, will go give you an award for Nigeria. Guinness Book of Records. I think that should be Lawsuit Angton as the individual that has secured the highest number of lawsuits in a very short period of time. Just within 1 month, Papa J lawsuit, Mr. Jollof lawsuit, Bobrisky lawsuited and unsuited, Sanfalana lawsuit, now Ihuoma Nneji lawsuit, all in a space of less than 1 month. Less than 1 month. It's time for the Rattles to gather all the lawsuits where VDM don't carry. Use and take so suit for him now. Lawsuit. Use it to sue a lawsuit for him because he don't reach to get him. If VDM is my brother, I go tell and say, guy, go rest for like 3 weeks. Rest. Let them no use lawsuit finish you for this country. You have a mother. You have siblings. Make you no go by yourself. If I talk now, they go say I don't talk. Sometimes before you come to publish something, listen to both parties. Because whoever brings a case to you will always paint the case to favor himself. So as a judge or as anybody, listen to the other person, hear what the other person has to say, then do your plus minus and know what it's all about. The lady in question say VDM used derogatory statement on her and that VDM should retract those particular things and apologize to VDM, now the king of lawsuit for Nigeria. The letter was dated 3rd of October 2024. That's just like 2 days ago. From one corner, the thing entered my hand. I said, make I can't talk about him. If VDM is your brother at this juncture, what will you advise him to do? We have hypocrites in Nigeria. You have brothers. Some of you have brothers, you have husband, you have sons. If Very Dark Black Man is your biological son, the same way you have biological son right now. If Very Dark Man is your husband, the same way you have husband right now, is your brother, blood brother, the way you have blood brother right now, what will you advise him to do? Will you advise him to keep on pushing and securing lawsuit up and down? Or to step down and rest? One man no fit solve Nigerian problem finish. I no tell him to remove hand. Step down and rest. Unless na content creation. Because once we the trend for social media, saga, the trend. Saga, the trend. But this is just becoming too much on one single young man. If him now my blood younger brother, I go don't tell him, guy, calm down, rest more. You have a future, you have a family to build. What do you advise him to do? Now on this Ihuoma Nneji, some of you might have heard the story. What I think here is that the girl might be trying to protect herself. The guy might be trying to protect himself. You can never judge anything correctly until you hear from both parties. That has been my mantra on earth. You can never judge correctly until you hear from A and hear from B. But when you hear from A and take evidences from A and push it into the internet space, you can make mistakes. You can make very big mistakes. And VDM should know right now that he has plenty of enemies. Your enemy is not too much. So not everything where you see, you go just take and prove because you go bring traffic. Slow down and think about it. Hear from the other person. Most times, no be who first report case they right. Sometimes, in different cases, no be who first report case they right. Who first report case go bring the thing as he go take suit them. You will be the platform. That's what I'm talking about. Platform that publishes information is held responsible for that information, whether it is right or wrong, unless you can prove in the law court that your information is right. What if it is not right? What if somebody brought those things to you just for personal gratification and for personal reasons? You no go know. So if VDM now your cousin or your brother, what you go tell them? And Ms Ihuoma Nneji, don't fight this thing. Let us hear what will happen. What is your opinion? For me, this lawsuit is too much. Unless in comes social media to carry lawsuit up and down. If na me, I go tell am make him slow down. Now I get to talk with this. So Ihuoma Nneji don't file lawsuits against VDM. Let us see how it will turn out. But for me, this lawsuit is just too much. It's just too much. And before you come to social media, a lot of cases have come to me. I slow down to listen to both parties, and at the end I'll find out that the first person that reported the case was not saying the complete truth until you hear from the other person, because social media is powerful. Social media can build, it can destroy. It is well.